Hi everyone, it's Monday at the Mystical Magical Mansion. Welcome back. We are home. We have been on an incredible journey. We took an Avalon cruise, and if you haven't seen part one of that video of our travel journey, watch that, our video from last week that we posted. We hopped on a boat in Brussels, Belgium, and we cruised all the way up the rivers and canals. So many, and I don't know the names of all of them, but we ended up in Amsterdam, and it was called a Brews and Bites tour, and we tasted brews and we had lots of amazing bites. So good. So here's part two of our video, and we're taking you along with us on our beautiful riverboat cruise.
This is Kim actually drinking beer called Nine. For those of you who don't know Kim, she's not a beer drinker.
This is good.
And that's your second beer on this trip that you've liked out of 3 tastings so far. Bergen, Schlurgen, Durgen, Durgen, Bergen, Schlurgen. That's the street we need to be on.
We're in the town of Vera. Here in the Netherlands. And if you look behind us,
it's a very big boat.
The very big boat that we have been spending the past few days on. 4 days now. Yeah. So it's been our home away from home. It's a very long boat. We have been staying in one of the, what is our room?
310?
No, we've been spending our week in one of the royal suites. It's quite lovely. And so with COVID and all kinds of travel restrictions and things, the tourist business apparently is a little slow to stop. This boat normally holds 110 people, but on ours, there's 35.
And 48 crew.
And 48 crew, yeah. So we kind of have the place to ourselves. It's pretty great. Just lots of beautiful decks to sit outside, have a cocktail, relax. The upper deck, that little crow's nest where the captain is navigating the ship, actually raises up and down for the locks and the bridges and all of the waterways we need to lower down to make ourselves a little easier to pass. There's the back end, so it's a really, it's a huge boat. It's a beautiful boat. And then our walkway to go from the shore into the entrance. We have to check in and out every time we leave the boat, so we don't get left behind. This heavenly place. So much cheese here at the market. Yeah.
At the brewery that I make, the brewmaster, it's his birthday today. So, Justus vandaag jarig. So I already called him today and said I was going to do this presentation. He said, well, good luck with that. And unfortunately, I cannot join. I said, come on, man, it's an hour. We just have one. But first you need to have beer and acknowledge
it's very good. I'm joking.
Of course. There's a time and place for everything.
I breathe now.
You can't see through it, you know that.
I know, pay the same, right? I told you that was one
Look like chocolate milk.
No, thank you.
Dark foam and you can't see through it. It's a stout.
meadow. We have these canals, little waterways. Low sheep.
Those are boots.
Large number of those folks come from the
Wooden shoes, even wooden shoes with high heels. This company
I mean, this is a blue and white heaven here. I kind of want to take home all of it, or most of it anyway. That is a fireplace now. Oh my goodness, this is inside of one of the little historic homes here at Amsterdam. We are up on top of a windmill. As you can see, the blades behind us are moving. We're getting a little video, a little picture moment here. Yes.
These are all my
Stroopwafel.
Warm stroopwafel.
Warm stroopwafel.
I don't know how we're ever going to live without these.
I don't know what the inside is.
So good. It's our last day.
Yeah.
stops already.
Nest on it, but as they're protected, you cannot just pick up your property. You have to wait till all the chickens have left the nest, and then you better get rid of it because otherwise they come back for the second nest here. But that's for the birds here.
Art, modern, contemporary, it doesn't say who it is though.
Unfortunately, yes, but we have to say goodbye. The journey, for my perspective, was successful because from Brussels to Amsterdam, we arrived safely. I hope you are really enjoyed the smooth and quiet sailing as soon as possible. Thank you very much. I would like to also say thank crew. I love you. So, and last but not least, long time ago again we were together. Katie, thank you very much for your support. It was really nice these 2 weeks. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, for tomorrow I wish you a pleasant flight and safe landing from the promised land. If you stay in Europe, just enjoy European hospitality. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Do you remember the Hungarian word? Eggy, eggy. Ladies and gentlemen, eggy actually means for your health. God bless you once again. Thank you very much, eggy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a last big hand for our captain.
So it's our last night on our trip on the boat. There's a beautiful sunset behind us. We're in the harbor in Amsterdam, still aboard the ship, but we have to leave in the morning. We fly back to the United States, but it has been
10.5 hours back to the United States.
But it has been a beautiful trip, an amazing experience. We started in Brussels and sailed all the way up many different rivers, canals.
To Amsterdam.
Yeah, to Amsterdam. Spent the day here today and it's been great. And we checked off a bucket list
Van Gogh Museum.
by going
Got
on
to
a
see
cruise.
Real live Van Gogh museums.
Yeah.
Wasn't the cruise.
We
Came
got
here
to go
for the Van Gogh Museum.
We went to the Van Gogh Museum today and it was lovely. But all in all, I would say if you're thinking about doing a river cruise, a smaller boat, highly recommend it. The service was incredible. The staff
On Avalon.
on Avalon. Everybody was wonderful. And I know in other parts of Europe they're having to cancel cruises because the rivers aren't high enough. There's a drought. So we feel very fortunate to have got to make our whole trip with no issues whatsoever.
Not at all.
So yeah, it's been so fun. But anyway, thank you for going along.
Mannequin piss.
Why?
Why not? We're in Amsterdam.
So I hope you will take adventures and do special things and do things in your life that feel very unapologetically fancy, because you know what? You use all the good stuff. Do the good stuff today because you're not guaranteed it tomorrow. Oh my God. No. Schedule the trips, take the adventures, do all the things that you've always wanted to do, and God, take 99. Don't travel with my husband or do videos with my husband in Amsterdam. Yes. Do all the things you've always wanted to do, because we're not guaranteed it tomorrow and you deserve the good stuff today. So stay well and best wishes from the mystical, magical mansion in Amsterdam. Darling, would you fetch me my slippers, please? What are you wearing?
The most awesome clogs ever. And here are yours.
Are these not the best ever?
I love that.
And do you love the memories of your vacation?
To go with that.
A stroopwafel and your slippers would be perfect.
Yes, and my robe from the.
We got post-vacation blues. We got post-vacation blues. But we got these great shoes or slippers.